Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to link PayPal to Gumtree. Linking your PayPal account to Gumtree allows for secure and convenient online transaction. So here is how you can easily link your PayPal account to Gumtree in just a few minutes. First of all, open your Gumtree application on your mobile device and make sure that you're signed into your account. After you're logged into your main homepage for Gumtree, tap on the menu button at the top left corner. Now, go ahead and tap on your name or email address at the top of the screen, and then tap the plus button right in front of PayPal. Now, tap on Link Your PayPal option on the next page, and then it'll take you to your PayPal website where you'll need to log into your PayPal account. Type in your email address or your mobile phone number associated with PayPal, and tap Next. Now enter your password for your PayPal account, and finally tap on Login in order to log into PayPal and link it to your Gumtree account. And that is how you will be able to link your PayPal account with Gumtree. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.